What's up, guys? So it's snowing quite a bit. I woke up this morning, wasn't expecting it to snow, and there's a good 4 or 5 inches, maybe 6. So here we go. We got it all started up and everything. Just gotta scrape it off now. This will be fun. And it slips pretty easy. Doing a little drifting. Casually. It's pretty slick out. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna throw her in 4-wheel drive. So I'm drifting like completely sideways right now. Not a big deal. Just can't really pull out in front of anybody. This is actually really fun. I'm having a really good time. So it's 100% stopped and I started to slip, so. Says I'm going 20. I know I'm maybe going 3 miles an hour. Oh, there we go, gaining some traction. It is a slick one, not gonna lie. I literally, yeah, I'm pretty surprised. Walking through the intersection, make sure no one's slipping right on through. I am literally sideways through this intersection. There we go. Gaining a little bit of traction. And by the way, I put it in 4-wheel drive, so a moment of complete stupidity. So I put it in 4-wheel drive. It said 4-wheel drive and everything. But I feel absolutely stupid. I forgot that I need to lock in my hubs. This is the first vehicle that I've owned that you actually need to do that manually, and I feel like a complete idiot. I'm stopping off to get gas here in just a second, so, or whatever, and so I'm gonna do it then, but I feel like a complete idiot. Anyway, yeah, I feel like an idiot, but I'm gonna fix it here in just a second, get my hubs locked in, and then I will be good to go. How surprising is that? Locked in my hubs, now it drives like a fucking dream. Anyway, I feel super dumb, but in my defense, I've only had like Jeeps and that sort of stuff before this, so, and with my Jeep, you didn't have to lock in the hubs, they were automatic and everything, so I do feel a little dumb, but I learned from it, and I'm going with that. So, wow, how surprising. Once you actually have it in 4-wheel drive, it does a decent job. I am having a fucking blast right now. I love playing in the snow. What's up, guys? It is snow day round 2 in the Fummins. I've had quite a bit of fun already. Went and flipped some cookies. My girlfriend's sick. Now I'm off just mooning around by myself. Flipping sideways, having a little fun. Now for sure I'll remember to lock in my hubs. Dumb mistake, but we all had a good time. We learned from it and shit, so it's actually really fucking slick. It's really slick. I found a little cul-de-sac back here that looks like it literally has not been driven on, and there's a fucking mail person there. So here we go. And in the words of Mr. Stradman.
Okay, so the first rule of doing donuts is you have your fun and then you get lost. Time to roll.
The mail person gave me the dirtiest look. For the record, I was being super safe and there was no one else around, so the mail person ended up heading the other way. There's no way I could have hit anybody or really anything. There was curbs all around that would have definitely stopped me, never going too fast. But I had my fun and now I'm leaving.